Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my memory keeping planner, and this is the one from the Happy Planner. I absolutely love it. I will link it for you guys down below, but I started this when Liam was born, and it's just the easiest thing for me. It's way easier than scrapbooking, so I have been doing this every week. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share with you guys how I created this spread right here, which is last week's spread. So I actually use the HP Sprocket printer to print off my photos. You can use whatever you want, but the boxes in the Happy Planner are 2x3s, and the HP Sprocket photos, it fits in there perfectly. But sometimes I feel like a 2x3 photo is a little too big. I like mine to be smaller, so I like to create collages. And this is the app that I use. It's called Diptyque. I've been using this app for forever. I'm sure there's other apps out there that will create collages as well. So just use whatever you'd like. But this is the one I've been using for years, and it's just something I'm very familiar with. So I create my collage in this, and you can adjust the frames and the shapes, and you can add as many squares or photos as you want, you know. This is just one of the layouts that I created. I like to have two kind of like longer type of photos. So anyways, here's that, and as you can see, it saves as like a square photo, and we need it to be 2x3. So once I have all my collages, they're all squares, I just go into the photos album and click edit, and I just crop it into a 2x3. As you can see here, it fits in it perfectly. And yeah, just make sure that whatever collage you make sure that it fits into a 2x3 type of photo, because that is the paper size that you will be printing on. Here's another one that I like to use. It's like a 3 different square type of photo like that. I think it looks so cute, especially when I print off photos of Liam with his different facial expressions. I think it's the cutest thing. So yeah, here I am just really cropping everything out into a 2x3s. I'm getting them ready for printing. And again, I use the HP Sprocket, which I will link down below, and this is the app that you use for it. It just links onto your phone. And it's just like super easy to use, you guys. So here I am. I'm just gonna go ahead and print off the photos, and it prints really quickly. I really like using it. I've had the Sprocket for about a little over a year now, and I love it. I also have the Polaroid one, but I don't know, I just really like the Sprocket a lot better than the Polaroid. The quality wise, it's not like super amazing, but I feel like the quality of the Sprocket is a little bit better than the Polaroid. That's just my opinion. But anyways, yeah, here's the HP Sprocket. I'm printing off one of the photos. As you can see here, I have a lot of different kinds of layouts I created with the Diptyque collage app. Here's a photo I'm printing right now with 6 photos, so as you can see there. So anyways, once I have all my photos printed, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up. I like to have, again, you know, small photos on my planner. So here I am cutting them up and kind of just like organizing them to the days where they go on. And I just love small photos. I think it's just the cutest thing. And again, I like to use collages because then I'm printing off more than one photo on a piece of paper, you know what I mean? Like, it saves me money as well. So yeah, and I think it looks cute. So that's that. I'm just cutting them up into cute little photos. And once I'm done with that, I go into planning, of course. So I love using these memory keeping stickers from the Happy Planner because they are, like, you know, just perfect for it. And also these washi tapes that I'm going to be using were from the Planner Society. I love her washi tapes. They're like my favorites. So you guys know me, I love my washi tapes, and that's kind of like something that I always start with. So I am just putting on some washi tapes here, and I'm going to do the same thing onto the other side. And if you're wondering what I used to cut, it's an X-Acto knife. You can use scissors or whatever you'd like. So here I am placing the photos onto the planner again, just kind of like organizing, getting kind of like a visual of how everything is gonna look. Obviously, you know, I like to switch things up once I'm actually doing it already. So yeah, but this just kind of gives me a little visual. So yeah, I'm just going back and forth. I am using some other stickers as well, but I do use a lot of the Happy Planner ones. Sometimes I use stickers from the Planner Society kits. I also have ones that are like baby themed that I got from like Walmart or Michael's. I use a lot of stickers, you guys, so I don't really remember the what's it called, the brands. So as you can see here, I'm just really going at it, placing photos here and there, just making sure it's on the right day, I guess, and also just making it look really cute, you know, like you want it to look nice, of course. And I, of course, have to leave spaces to write in, because every single day I like to kind of do like a little journal. That's kind of what this whole thing is about. So yeah, I of course leave spaces to write in, and I sometimes use like the square stickers as well from the Happy Planner, and also the ones from the Planner Society kits to write in, which you guys will see later. It just like really gives me a designated spot to write in, so I like that a lot. So yeah, and then I also use this is a label maker that I got from Amazon like a few months ago, and I like to use it once in a while. I actually use it to mark some dates, and also whenever we have a doctor's appointment for Liam, I like to use this for writing down his weight and like his height and things like that from that day. So I love this label maker. I use it for other things too, obviously, but that's kind of what I like to use it for in this planner. And these are the stickers I was talking about. Those were like baby themed stickers. I got them from Blitsy. I'll link it below if I can find it. But they're super cute. So yeah, anyways, going on to this side. These are the boxes from the Happy Planner memory keeping sticker books. They're really nice, and I'm using a lot of the fall themed ones. There's a few pages in that sticker book that is like fall themed, and they're super cute. So I'm using some of that. There's also some stickers like that. It's kind of like clearish stickers. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're also foiled, so it's really pretty, and it really catches your eyes when you kind of, you know, fidget the planner because of the foiling. It's really nice. I also like to use washi tapes. As you can see, the plaid washi tape, I love that color. It's just so fall, and it really adds, you know, something. So since I don't really know what else to talk about, I guess I'll talk about this certain week that you're seeing right now. So you guys know I work from home, so it's usually pretty chill. I stay at home and work from home, so I just relax and spend a lot of time with Liam. I take care of him, so it's always going to be photos of him and I. But there are some photos of Tom and him as well, you know. But Tom doesn't really like photos. That's why you guys will probably notice there's not a lot of photos of Tom. But anyways, yeah, this week was very chill. We did go out a few times to run errands and go shopping and stuff like that, which I love doing with him because he does really good in his car seat and stroller. He loves it. And yeah, I even feed him outside, and we do really good with breastfeeding on time and things like that. So I just love taking him out, you guys. And we also went to a pumpkin patch that weekend, which was so fun. We got really cute photos of him with the pumpkins. He's so tiny. You guys will see it on my blog. I'll do a whole blog post so you can see close-ups of the photos, and also it's on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. He's just the cutest thing, you guys. I'm obsessed with him. But yeah, I just love doing this whole memory keeping thing because it's so much easier than scrapbooking. It's not as intimidating. With scrapbooking, you have a whole 12 by 12 piece of paper that you have, or you feel like you have to fill out, but with this, it's just like, I don't know, you have this photos from this day, you know, and that's what's gonna go on that day. So it's not as hard, I feel like. I love it. And yeah, I just love seeing how Liam changes every week. There's always something different, always something special. So I just love this whole idea. So I hope you guys like or will like seeing this here on my channel. I think it's super fun, and I do this every week. So once I have all the photos from that week, I will usually plan. So pretty much every Monday is when I plan. So here it is. This is the finished spread. This is with me with it all filled out. I do the whole journaling part as well. So yeah, I just love it. The handwriting is not the best, but I think it's good. And that wraps up this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my blog for photos, and everything will be linked below. And I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.